I'm back out in the woods. Decided to come out, give the machine a test again, start getting used to it. I'm on a different coil today. I'll turn you around. I've got the M8, see how that does up here. But yeah, right, I'll see you in a little while. Ow! Not the signal I was expecting to bring up, but I've managed to pull up a whole bottle. Let's have a... I can't read it. Anyway, we'll have a look at that properly later. Come up metal detector and end up bottle hunting. Right, ladies and gentlemen, a signal come up close to the surface, and I don't know if you can see it glinting just there. In we go. Look at this. Wow, that's a beautiful little pendant, and well, I don't know if that's gold or not. The stone don't feel, I don't know, maybe it hasn't been here long enough. Being on the surface, it was probably lost recently, but that is awfully shiny. Is it my first gold on the Mentacore? Right, I'm going to have a little closer look at this and see if I can see any marks or anything, but the stone just doesn't look anything special, and why would you mount it in gold? Right, anyway, let's have a little look at it and I'll get back to you. Well, ladies and gents, I have cleaned it up. I can't see any hallmarks or anything like that, but I also can't see any tarnish, which is making me wonder. Well, it either is or isn't. We'll have to get a gold testing kit and find out, and I'll let you know. Happy days, first find. Packer. I've just had a little signal come up, and this has just come up. The focus thing. I don't know if that's a little ob now or something like that. Don't know. Cool. Right, I've just had a signal up. It's telling me, the machine's telling me it's in here somewhere. Hang on a second. Another one. I'm getting closer to that crotal bell. Alright, let's carry on. Another signal's letting me know there's something in here. Alright, it's in this one. I've obviously dropped it in the hole. Well, it's a one of them. Alright, let's carry on. Another signal's come up. Give me 2 seconds. Alright, it's in here. Shotgun shell. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look at this that's sticking out there. I can't imagine it's going to be very old because it's right under the surface, and it's not even a coin, it's a shotgun end. sorry about that. Another signal on the surface. It's a, you can just see it. Yeah, looks like a penny. Don't know. No? Might not be. Yeah. Don't know. Alright, let's give it a clean. Alright, I reckon we was right about the penny. You can see a little bit of writing there, but it's obviously busted up, and there's a bit of that chain there that comes off the portcullis, is it, or something like that. But yeah, it's gone weird. Anyway, let's crack on. Alright, a very peculiar signal came up. That's, how do you see that there? Now, I don't think it's anything old. Why it was so peculiar, I do not know. Oh, that's this one. It's a 2p piece. It's one that I've not... There's the Queen Elizabeth, 2016, with a line on the back. Lovely. Now I just want to run that over my machine to see why. Don't know, maybe an iron core or something. No. Not sure. I think I figured out why these 2p pieces are giving me moved these signals, because they're caked in rust for a start. It must be the iron core in them. It's got to be. Right, ladies and gents, that was a couple of hours in the woods. It was lovely. Turn you around and show you some of the finds. Sorry, get my finger out of the way. Give me 2 seconds. Right. Here's the find of the few hours I was out. Whether it's gold or not, we don't know, but it's certainly pretty. It looks right. Like I said, it was found on the surface. It can't have been there that long, so we will just have to test it and find out. 2p piece, a crusty 2p piece, some sort of ring. It looks like from a bicycle. A crusty 1p piece. A bit of that, a bit of that, and a bit of that. And that's it for today. Right, you lovely lot. Enough further, and I'll speak to you later. Good morning all. Right, we're back in the woods again, because this it's the only option we've got at the moment. It's too dry everywhere. So yeah, but it's good to get out. Right, so I'll see you in a little while. Well, that's a lovely little start. First signal. A nice little buckle. Lovely. Alright, let's carry on. Alright, ladies and gents, another signal's come up. There you go. A musket ball. Lovely. Alright, signal come up. Can you see that in the hole? And it's a 5p piece. Lucky me. Alright, let's crack on. Oh, God, I've dropped it. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I've just had a signal come up. I don't know if you can see that there. It's got a little glint to it. It's where we there. Alright, let's have a I think it's gonna be Yeah, it looks like a dog tag to me. That would have been a paw print or something like that. But yeah, cool, let's carry on. Right, I just want to say while I'm here, you can use my code DIGTHELOT10 at Monarch Designs. I'll put the code up here somewhere. Sorry, the logo up here somewhere. And I just want to say as well, thank you to all the subscribers, likes and comments. It means a lot to me. I didn't expect it to grow so quickly, but yeah, I'm loving it. Also, Monarch Designs have supplied us with a gift voucher. So when we get to 200 subs, I will be able to give one of you lucky lot a gift voucher to spend at Monarch Designs. Dean does loads of stuff, loads of personalised stuff. Honestly, the list is endless. Go to his website and have a look. Like I said, I'll stick it up there. Yeah, and you can use my code DIGTHELOT10 to get a discount. Right, I'll see you in a little while. Here we go again. I think it's a penny. Yep. 1 pence face. Lovely. Here we are. It's not the first one I've had today. L303 cartridge. Cool. Alright, ladies and gents. Give me a minute and we'll figure out what it is. Right. Can you see that? Just there? Well, we've got a ship's half penny, and it's 19 something 9. And it's jaws of 6, and that is officially the oldest thing I've found so far with my new machine. I think. No, it can't be because I found musket balls. Right, let's see if I can get the date on that. I've got a feeling it's free. Let's have a look. Yep. Right, hang on. 1939. Happy days. Well, ladies and gentlemen, signals come up and I've located it. Can you see that there? That is a Royal Artillery cap badge, and that is a King's Crown, so it's an older one. It's more or less all there. Let's give it a little clean, see if I can get some more detail off it off you. 2 seconds. Well, ladies and gentlemen, signals come up and I've located it. Can you see that there? That is a Royal Artillery cap badge, and that is a King's Crown, so it's an older one. It's more or less all there. Let's give it a little clean, see if I can get some more detail off it off you. 2 seconds. I wonder if that means there's 2 things in there. There's only one way to find out. See you in a second. Right, let's have a look together then, eh? No, it means it was. It means it was that. Whatever that is. Oh well, let's check it out. Right, people, my suspicions were right. I've just gone over the hole and had a signal. I don't know if you can see that there, but we have got around something. Hello doggies, please don't be. Why is it so black? It's just a 5p piece, but it looks like it's been in a fire or something. Right, hang on a minute, because I'm going to check this out properly. Right, how bloody cruel is that? I thought I was onto my first silver coin, but it's a 5p piece. It's either been in a fire, or some very cruel person has painted it black to make it look like it comes out as a silver coin when I dig it up. But chances are it's probably been in a fire. Right, let's crack on. Right, just had a signal close to the surface again. Brush the leaves aside, leaves, and there we are. Oh god, what the fuck? Sorry. Now, that is somebody's eyeball in an earring. That's not silver, but pretty fucking creepy. Anyway, let's go, crack on. Alright, that was a lovely couple of hours in the woods. Let me turn you around. You've seen most of it, but I'll turn you around again so you can see it again. Penny, now or pin, don't know what, musket ball, 5p piece, I don't know, little D buckle, musket ball. Beautiful cat badge, 5p piece, button, there it is again, that creepy thing, somebody's eyeball. It made me jump when I turned it over. And a dog tag, can't show you the other side. Right, you lovely people. I'll see you soon. Enough love. Bye bye.